I hope I'm audible to all of you. Just confirm whether my screen is available. Is it visible? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you, Harshita. Fine, fine. So, did you try yesterday that we look up, or it was too confusion or anything? Did you? Yes, sir. Did you try it for that? We look up as well as the count statement. I've given you the task to complete all the count A, count is, count if s, and count blank. Yeah, hi Siddhant. Good evening. Please try it for all those. Okay, those who have not yet. Yeah, yeah. Hi Tejasni. So it's not like if you just watch on the mobile phone and you will forget it. Okay, so it's better that you have to do it practice. Okay, uh, and once if you become expert, then only you can remember those formulas. Okay, or else it looks very simple. Oh, how this formula looks like, how this how it is working. But once if you go and practice, no, so you will find that how simple things matters there. Like for example, comma, semicolon, bracket. Okay, so all those things, the open bracket, close bracket, all those things matters. So it's important that you should be, you should do directly on the on the laptop only. Okay. So I think most of you have joined. I was just waiting because the strength is very less today. It's around, we have more than 60 students, but still, no, I want all of you to do along with me. Okay, shall we start? So what you can do is that I have made another, sub sheet here. So yesterday, I was given that, like for example, suppose I have some n number of products. Okay, like for example, some oven, refrigerators, washing machine, watch, your belt, headphones, and I've given some product code there with quantity and price. This is what a normal Excel sheet looks like. You can compare the same sheet in the field you are. Like for example, if you are a student, okay, make a sheet where you have the name of the students and also the name of uh, your marks, subjects. If you are working, like for example, if you are working in a banking sectors, try to make Excel sheet accordingly. Okay, so I have made a general sheet here. So when you are practicing, make sure that it should be from your background. Okay, or just you can make the sheet as per your convenience or as per your understanding. Okay. So the sheet which I'm taking is a completely general purpose. Okay, so have a look here. What you can do along with me, just go open an Excel sheet. Okay, open an Excel sheet. Okay, and give some like product here. Okay, simply product. I have given no, for all those things I have given a kind of color coding here. Okay, like for example, this is for the color coding for the content, and this is for the background. Okay, you can choose some other colors also for the background. Like I have taken a blue. You can take any colors, not an issue. Okay, and in that I will, let me just take some yellow or green. It's not visible. Blue, not. Let me take this yellow only. If you want, you can increase. Okay, this product. Okay, and also you can say we have some of the things. Okay, subject. You can take some product name. Okay, try to make this kind of sheet. Yeah, excuse me. So what we are doing here is that you can just go and make such kind of simple Excel sheet. See here, I have applied the VLOOKUP formula. I hope now all of you are completely aware. Okay? So, see, this is simple VLOOKUP formula here. Okay? Simple VLOOKUP formula I have applied here. What I'm doing is that I'm going to change the product name. Okay? Same thing what we have done yesterday. Okay? Same thing what we have done yesterday is, see, what is F7 here? The F7 is nothing but it's a cell name. This is what. Okay? Have a look. This is F, okay, and a 7. Okay, so you can take F as a F7. Okay, and whatever value I give here in the F7, like for example, see, I want something like called as a camera. Okay, I'll just put that here. Okay, so I'll just simply put as CAMERA. Okay, camera. See here, the camera price is how much it is. If you look at here, it's 1350. In the same way, if I put that, how many quantities are there? Observe here, we have product code, quantity, and price. Okay. So if I give again the same thing, like for example, if I type here again as camera, it is telling me that there are 10 quantities are there for camera. Okay. What about oven? I have oven here. What's the price for oven? It's 10,000. Quantity is 5. So let me check here. Oven, sorry. Have a look. The quantity is 5. So this simple formula says that, okay, whatever value you put here in F7, okay, it will check from A3 to D13. A3 is what? This is A3. Okay, this is A3, and this is your D13. This cell is D13. So the input you are providing this cell F7, it will verify in the entire cell. Okay, and in that it will go for this the fourth column. That is nothing but for the price, since we want the price. No, so the price column is what? The price column is available. So like for example, we are typing it oven here, it will search for the oven row and it will come to this column. That is nothing but the fourth column here. Okay, and in that it will give some accurate value, that is approximate value. Okay, most of the software engineers, what they will do is that they will take such kind of Excel sheets. Okay, like for example, we will do even what is that, calculation of EMI and all that, we'll do in Excel sheet only. Okay, so everything, no, they will, we have to give that uh, some value here. It will search in its database and it will give it will give a kind of value to you. Okay, fine. I hope you will provide you will do this is simple VLOOKUP formula. It is okay, simple VLOOKUP formula what we have applied here. Now in case of H lookup, okay, have a look. Same thing, I have a product code, quantity, and price. Okay? Same thing, whatever things I have done here. No, I have taken some 10 products here, 10 product code. You can take 1 2 3 anything. Okay? You can take some random quantity, you can take some random prices. Okay? All the same value I have taken for in terms of H lookup. Here I am typing as a product name as a mouse. Okay, it is given the quantity 50. Okay, here if you look at the formula, it is H lookup. Okay, now don't get confused, sir. No, आपने तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा किया हुआ है. How to make how to make all these things like this? It's simple, simple. If anybody is make, like for example, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है देखो. Okay. I've taken a product. Okay, some product A B C D, some marks in that one. Sorry, mathematics, science, English, like that. What you can do? अगर आपको यही same चीज ऐसे में चाहिए, have a look. Okay, what you have to do first? Copy this entire table. Copy this entire table. Right click. I can't show that option. Don't tell me that sir आपने right click कैसे किया. Copy. What is my intention? I want this product to be available here. Okay, means ये जो rows है ना मुझे यहाँ पे लेना है. Okay. Come to another sheet here. Right click again. We have a option paste special. Paste special. click on this option. Here in the paste special we have so many values, like for example we have so many content, all, okay, operations. Here we have something called as transpose. Can you see this one? Transpose. Click on this option transpose and make it okay. See, all the rows will come here now. Same thing. Okay, जो भी आपका product था ना, product A B C D max. Okay, you can say some student name here, like for example instead of product you can take some student's name. क्लियर है ट्रांसपोज का? व्हाट आई हैव डन? क्लियर है क्या? यही चीज मैंने यहाँ पे की हुई है. Okay, see this is what I have taken here. I have taken this entire box. Okay, इसको मैंने कॉपी किया यहाँ से. Then I have gone to the another sheet. Okay, and in the paste special option I have selected for this transpose. Okay, see सब चीज अभी यहाँ पे ऐसे आ गई. Okay, I have product. Okay, product like product oven, refrigerators, washing machine, watch, belt. Okay, you can take your own products. Okay, if ladies are there you can just put some kind of makeup products. Okay, if male are there you can just give your headphone, belt, laptop. Okay, that's what and also some woodland shoes, and give some random product name. Okay, see it, I have taken all these things only for to general purpose, huh? It's not like sir product ऐसा ही देना है क्या करके. You can give just A1 A2 A3 A4 like that. You don't think that sir ने NN कुछ दिया हुआ है. You can just make A1 A2 A3 like that. Can you show it again? Okay, Maria, which one? Which one you want, Maria? That's transpose or this product name? Don't keep your doubts with you. Paste special. Yeah, sure. Okay, Maria, have a look. What I'm doing is that okay, I have made a simple sheet here. Okay, I have made a simple sheet here. This is my sheet one. What I'm doing is that, like for example, say this is I'll take this student name. Okay, name. Sorry, I have name here. Okay, like for example, Maria. Okay, and also how many are there here? Anil, repeat sir. Yeah, Anil, that is one thing. Okay, uh, Anil, I'll take the name of Anil here. अनिल. और कौन है चैट बॉक्स में जिसने मैसेज किया उनका नेम ले रहा हूं मैं. आई हैव Ramya. Who's that girl from Bijapur? She's not messaging today. And I've just taken some student's name. Okay, observe their marks here. Okay, this is the marks in max, and this is in science. Okay, and this is in English. Okay, simple thing I'm doing here. Okay, I need one more person name. I'll just check in the attendance sheet. Yeah, I have, who's that first person? D, no, what is this? A D L A. Okay, I have no student's name. Okay, observe that these are the marks for them. Okay, math, science, English. I'm copying this entire content. First select the table. You can continue, huh? Not like the don't get stop. You can give some 1 2 3 name. Copy this table. Copy किया आपने. Now go to another sheet. This is my fresh sheet. Okay, this is my fresh sheet. A7. A7 means, okay, in your case, okay, A7 means this cell. Okay, I want this A12. What else, Sandhya? A7, A12, B3. Okay, now I don't want quantity. I want the price. What's the formula? Reshma, I want not quantity, I want the price. It's a 6. Good, 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 Sushma. Okay. No, Sushma, something is missing there. Where you are providing the value? After H lookup, it has to take a cell, no? Tachuri, Sushma, just confirm. What is missing in your case? Cell number. It will take the value from their cell. Can you just write that formula one more time with equal sign? Patel, Sandhya, Shreya. Yes, correct. A12, B3 till K6. Good. Then 4. 4 is for what? Price? Good, 0. Okay, let's go, Shreya. I'm just copy and paste this for Shreya's formula. Okay, fine. Rinsi, Joseph, correct. Same, both of you are done. Okay. Let me just copy that formula. Good, Shri. You guys are getting. Okay. Don't type in the chat box, huh? Type in the Excel sheet. don't think that हमने यहाँ पे type किया तो फिर खत्म हो गया करके. Have a look. What's this lookup array? I think Tachushri Sharma. This lookup array was missing in your case. What is this lookup array? It is nothing but the cell value. Okay. Just confirm. Shall I give this lookup value? What is lookup value? This cell. Got this cell? Great, great. Okay. Now, comma. What? Table array. Okay. Table array. What will use? I'll simply select this from here. Okay. I'll simply select. Okay. This is the formula. Sorry. I'll select this table array from here till this point. Everyone, please observe. Shall I zoom it? Comma. Shall I zoom this one? I think the formula is going on, so that it won't take. What is the next? I want the price. Okay. What's this price? Okay. It's in fourth column. Sorry, fourth row. Comma. What is next? True or false. Okay. Either you can write false or you can write as a 0. Okay. I'll just type here as a false. I want the exact match. That's okay. If you're writing 0 as well as this one. Hit enter. See. For the AC, what is this? Now this time, this is not a quantity. This is what? It's a price. Okay. Let me just type the same formula here. Yes, lookup B12 C3. Okay, let me just type this formula one more time. Okay, so here I'll take for this one price. Okay, so ये जो है ना मैं यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ price को जो है इसको इधर ले लेता हूँ. So I want from here. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, have a look here. For this cell, I wanted to apply the formula. Okay, what it is? Equal H lookup. Okay, hit enter. Get the table over that this row. Okay, comma from where to where it is? A3 till what that point? Sir, when to type false or when to type 0? It depends. Okay, like you may type 0 or it may type false. There's no condition that you have to type only 0. You have to type only false. Okay. If you want, you can type 0. If you want, you can type no 0 1. False. Okay. So this I'll directly what the type here B3 to till K6. Okay. B3. Observe here. If I type the B3 here, it will directly select this cell here. Right now the cell is not selected. Observe this cell. This cell. Huh? Okay. I'm typing B3 on my keyboard. B3 colon K6. Okay. So it has taken the last one. Observe here from here to here. Entire table is selected now. It is in green. Okay. Comma. What's the next? I want the fourth. Okay. That is nothing but the price. Fourth one. The row index number. Okay. So in my case, the Row index number is 4. Don't get confused, sir. यहाँ पे आपने 6 it is showing as 6 here. Why you have taken 4? I am considering this table only. For me, the product cell is first, the product code is second cell, quantity is third cell, and price is fourth cell. So that is the reason I am typing the row index number as a 4. Okay. Comma. What's that next? Okay. You can type 0 or you can type false. Okay. False. Hit enter. Here, the quantity for the AC is, sorry, the price for the AC is how much? It's a 12,500. Now, is it clear? Is it clear? First, let me check it out. Is it clear for all of you? Try to change the name here. Like for example, O1. Here, O1 is this much value. Okay. And can you give me some name? Like instead of this washing machine, वो makeup box होता है ना आपका makeup box. Okay. Makeup box. The price is 12,000. Observe here. I'm typing the makeup box. Makeup box. How much this? Price is 4,000. Okay. Here, but see, I have instead of this, this one, what I will take that simply मैं इसको थोड़ा minimize कर देता हूँ. The product code is there in that one. See, I have laptop. Okay. Is it okay? Sir, why we are taking false? You can take anything, false or 0. Okay. Have a look here. I want some approximate value. See, after this point, we have two conditions: true, approximate value, approximate match, false, exact match. Exact match means that it will bring the same numbers. Okay. You may take it as 0, hit enter, have a look. That is what the price is. Okay. Now, have a look. If I type the AC here, it is not giving me any value here. Okay. So instead of that, you can just take what do you like? Any product name? Can you just suggest me any product name? We have Aduri, Afra, Afshan, Anil, Anusha, Arbana, Arshia. No, दो अर्शिया हैं. Ashraf, Aisha, Bhakti, Deepti, Falak, Ganguraj. Can you just give me any product name? Why we are taking K in formula? See, here this is the last one. This is my K ends here. This is K and this is what the cell number K6. So if you observe here, this is my K6, the last cell. Got Aisha? Now you can observe here that Aisha, have a look here. In this case, if you look at this particular formula, we are not getting any value. It is because if you just double click on this one, it is counting till H6. It means that whatever you give till this product, it is counting this one only. See here, this is what the the red looks like. Now instead of this, I want because H6 I have given means till this point it will count. Okay. Now have a look. Okay. So किसी ने कुछ product का नाम send किया क्या? Okay, I was taking that, like for example, I don't want till this H6. I want all the products which are there till what? Till this point, K6. What can say that K this point. Okay. So have a look. What I'm doing here is that, okay, I just must minimize कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको दिखाई दे. Fine. So let me. Okay, fine. Now I hope it is visible for all of you. Let me zoom it. Yeah. We have from where? From this point to this till this point. Okay. In previous case, no K, this column was not visible. So Aisha is like ये K6 कहाँ से आ गया सर? इतने ही तो दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे. K कहाँ पे छुप के बैठा है? So I have taken, I have just minimized that. Now, see here, when I type the AC, I'm not getting any kind of answers here. Okay? If I type the name as belt here, if I type BELT belt, I'm getting the quantity as 75U. That is correct. The quantity is 75U. Okay, but if I even type that the mouse. Okay, let me check it. Okay, mouse is what? This column H3. See, this is the H3. So if I type something here as mouse, I'm getting 50. That is correct. But the moment when I go after this one, beyond this, this particular point, H6, okay, and if I type any product, it is not giving me any value. Why? Now, please rectify me this formula. I want the product. Okay, like for example, I just type this in the chat box. I hope VLOOKUP is clear for all of you. Nothing to worry in that one for the VLOOKUP. I think मैंने already type किया ना यहाँ पे. Okay, fine. Sorry, क्या हुआ इसको? Yeah, I want the entire table. Like for example, किसी ने बोला एक product का नाम. Like for example, किसी ने बोला यहाँ पे कि perfume. Okay. Yeah, because it did not select it. Correct, Maria. Okay. Maria is like, like for example, the last here in this table. Okay. Here we have, perfume. Okay. So this is a favorite perfume for the Maria, and she wanted to know that what is the price and how much is the quantity. If I'm typing here as perfume, it is not giving me any value. Okay. Yeah, Maria, can you just modify this formula to me so that I can get the no value of this perfume? Can you just modify this formula for me? I want the quantity of the perfume. There is nothing but 14. See, in my case, I know that it's 14. If I look at here, the perfume is quantity is how much? So this is the quantity. The for perfume, the quantity is 14. So can you just give me the formula? Even I want another product also. Like for example, see, I wanted to type और क्या रहता है product आपका? अनिल, ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು product refer ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? Yogesh, Varsha, Vaishnavi, we have Sayyeda, we have Rabia, Patel, Sadhya, Pavitra Reddy, Pinna. Okay, camera. Okay, Anil is like, camera ಇದೆ already ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Camera. Fine. Now, if I type here camera, I want the formula. If I type the camera, I'm not getting any quantity. What that here? The quantity of the camera is 18. Okay. Just modify this formula and give me in the chat box. I got one answer. Product name tablet. Okay, Afshan is like product name tablet. चलो कैमरा की वजह हम लोग क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे टैबलेट लेंगे. गुड. Tablet. Okay, product name tablet. What is the formula? Can anybody write the formula in the chat box? I want this one, the quantity. See here, if I'm typing anything beyond H6, it's not visible. Yes, Arshia, Moin. H lookup A10. Why it is A10? Because we are talking about this cell, huh? This cell, in my case, it's A10. Okay. In place of H6, you need to add K6, right? Great. Got it. Okay. Dhulpalli, Tejasni. That's a simple one. Okay. So it depends like now how many cell you wanted to verify. So in my case, I wanted to find till I wanted to go ahead with this A6. Okay? You don't want you are like no sir, just give the only the AC or the till AC. This is what I6. That's it. Okay? Since I want the value of the tablet, so I have to add it what K6. Got it? Dhulpalli Tejasni. Arshia A10 B3 to K6 3 false. Good Shreya. A10 B3 K6 3. Okay. Maria, just make sure that there should not be space in between that. Okay, you have written the formula correctly, but there should not be space. No, after that comma, you have written 3, you have comma. Okay, great. You guys are getting very fast, yeah. Are you guys are from what that कौन सा MCom or BCom background, or all of you are from technical background? Okay, let me just type here as a K6. Hit enter. Okay, no, still I did not got. A10 H lookup. This is A10 B3 colon B6. No. Quantity I must know. Let me type it and check it out. false. Hit enter. No, it is not giving any value. Check what is the problem here. H lookup A10. Okay, 3 comma 0, that is correct. Let me type it one more time. Yeah, sorry. The formula is correct here. What is the reason we are not getting the value here? Product name is tablet. Yeah, that's what. Good. You guys are really observing. Good. Okay, great, Anusha. Good observation, Afshan. Sir, it's K5, right? For quantity. No, K5 is what the last cell I'm taking. Yeah, you can take even the K or that this one also. एक्सिस बैंक का तो देख लिया ना हम लोगों ने। एक कोई सिंपल कैलकुलेटर किसी बैंक की वेबसाइट पे मैंने देखा था कि ये भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन दिखा रहा है यार। चलो इसमें जाके देखते हैं। फॉर एन अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज, यार मेरे को लोन लेना नहीं, अभी से लोग डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं। विच वन इज गुड? 1000, 10,000, लाख। ओके 20 ईयर्स है यहाँ पे, जो है मैं 1 ईयर कर देता हूँ इसको। ओके, cookies and all those things, they will disturb a lot. 1 year, 1 year means how much? Yeah, for interest rate of you can say around इसको मैं वेरी कर देता हूँ 15%। ओके, आई थिंक ये करेक्ट है। इतना कम होता है? करेक्ट करेक्ट। ठीक, यहाँ पे देखिए सिंपल, एक एचडीएफसी का मैंने लिया हुआ है। What is showing is that I have entered something a value as 1 lakh rupees for a period of 1 month, 1 year, and with interest rate of 15%। okay? So ये जो है आपको कुछ दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट इज 1 lakh एंड ऊपर से जो है आपको 8,000 रुपीज पे करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, दिस वन ओनली इफ आई वांटेड टू मेक फॉर द 2 years, have a look, the interest amount is going to be changed here, okay? And the monthly EMI will almost like 50%, for 9,000 से 50%। क्लियर है? सिंपल, ये आप कोई भी आप देख सकते हैं, ईएमआई किसी भी बैंक का कैलकुलेटर देख सकते हैं। What we'll do here is that same thing will get in the form of Excel sheet. Are you getting my point? ये जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर दिखा रहा है ना अभी आपको, whatever things you are observing here, sir try to Kotak। okay Yogesh, fine। ICICI सब लोग, अच्छा सब लोग, आप लोग बैंक के नाम देख रहे थे क्या? Can you guys see your chat box? See, everyone is typing the bank name here. You guys are like, हाँ सर हमारी बैंक से लोन ले लो, या यस सर वी हैव ऑफरिंग so much low interest, you can just go ahead with our bank। एंड योगेश ने बहुत अच्छा रिप्लाई किया, सर ट्राई भी तो कोटक बैंक, हमारी बैंक तो बहुत सस्ते में लोन देती थी आपको। ओके फाइन। So what your task is that try to see, this is what simple a kind of software looks like, okay? Whatever amount you are entering with this time, okay, you are getting this result, okay? See, for the entire amount 16,000 is your what that you can say interest, okay? The same way if I make it for the how many years, for 5 years, for the 5 years, have a look here. For the 5 years, for an amount of is 1 lakh, you have to pay 42,000 additional amount, okay? Additional amount with a monthly EMI of rupees 2,379। So what, see, obviously the rate of interest I'm not changing here. If I make the rate of interest as a 10% instead of 15, if I make it as 10%, have a look. The interest is very less here. What that? The interest amount, because 10 lakhs ke one for a principal amount of is 1 lakh. This is the interest after 5 years. And if you say that we don't want for the 5 years, we want only for 1 year, 1 lakh rupees, 1 year, 10% interest. That's it. Monthly pay an amount of is 8,792 and get it. Okay. So what we are going to do now on the next class is that we are this entire thing, this entire from the loan amount, tenure, interest rate, the monthly EMI, principal amount, interest, and the total amount payable. This entire, see, this is what 1,55,000 you have to pay. Okay. This entire, all those things we are going to do with the help of Excel. Okay. Got my point? So you may ask that, sir, is there any coding is written behind that? If you just go and inspect, and if you just type Control H also, what is the Control U or Control? Anybody is from the software background here to view the source code? How many are from the engineering background here? We have nearly 70 members. See what this is what normally the software looks like here. Okay, here the housing loan calculator, EMI calculator, home. Okay, what we do is that we'll simply make an Excel sheet and we'll insert here And whenever if someone goes to your website and if you wanted to check, okay, this source code will execute a simple Excel sheet for the user. The end user don't know that there is some coding and there's some Excel sheet is working behind that one. Okay? In simple words, for him, I have entered the 1 lakh rupees, I am giving some kind of inputs here, that inputs is getting reflected here. Okay? Same thing what we have done here in case of yes lookup and v lookup, we are providing a kind of input here. Like for example, if I give the input here belt, okay? If I give the input as belt, it is reflecting. Okay? The same way if I give the the input here also the belt, see it is the might be this some problem there, yeah, sorry, spelling mistake. Here the price is 350 and this much is whatever we are giving here, the value in this cell is reflecting here, okay, with the help of that formula. Okay, for the loan also, what we'll do is that we'll try to make a kind of Excel sheet, okay, and we'll see that whatever inputs we are giving should be replicated here. Got my point? Okay, so let me show whether it is exactly. Don't look at my desktop, it's too much heavy. Month, time, length. Yeah, so this is I wanted all of you to do that one, not now, the next lecture. Simple, like for example loan amount 2 lakhs. Okay, let me just type it as 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh 15,000, 10 year 1 month. See, this is what the result is giving us. Like for example, if I observe the same thing on this particular 15%, see this amount is how much? 1 lakh. Tenure is how much? 12 months, or simply it is okay, and rate of interest 15%. Observe the amount is 9026. Okay, principal amount is 1 lakh and the interest is 8310. Same thing, okay, we are getting here also. Okay, for tenure of 1 month, okay, might be this yeah, I'll show you, might be some formal difference here. Yeah, even we have to check it this one also. Okay, 1 lakh 8,000, no, this is that is the amount. So we'll see in the next lecture that how to apply the formula here, okay, and how exactly the banking they are working the banking sectors. Hmm? So lakh. Yeah, have a look. I guess it is the same amount. Yeah, have a look here. 9026 is the monthly EMI. 9026, okay, 0.83 it is. And monthly interest, how much interest we have to pay here? 1,225 in this 9,000, huh? And this is what the 7,775. Okay. So we'll see this in the next lecture, that how exactly the things which we are mentioning here, okay, on the softwares can be done with the help of coding. Hmm? Okay, any doubts here? Actually, I'm completely from cybersecurity background, but I know a little bit of Excel since we used to use Excel a lot. So that is the reason I normally used to conduct some of the Excel lectures. Since it's only 3 to 4 lectures are there. No, sir. Yes, lookup is interesting. Great, Soumya. I'll check your screenshot. Most of the time people say that okay, sir, we have done it, and you can watch your screen. Someone like Soumya Reddy, they're like, okay, sir, we have done it. Okay? And suddenly, if I say them, show your screen, they're like, sir, abhi to kiya tha, but it's gone now. I've closed that window. Oh, Soumya is like, sure, sir, you can watch. Maria, Rima, we did all this in MCOM, sir, for financial modeling. Great, great. You should have more, no? You should have more knowledge here. Great. Now we can compare. Okay. You just even if I'm somewhere I'm lagging or somewhere if I'm missing something, please give me input also. Hmm? Well, thank you. Thanks for that's it for today. We'll again go ahead for some interesting things for tomorrow. And I have not given that nested VLOOKUP. try to go ahead with our nested VLOOKUP, and if you're getting it's okay. If you're not, please let me know. We will do it one more time. Hmm? Okay, that. Thank you, everyone. Take care, and again, we'll see in the next lectures. Okay. Stack Fernandez, sir, do you have any worksheet for practice? I'll share this worksheet. I mean, or else you can directly download it from our website also. What's about